Very common question that we get here at Abetco is how do I create, delete, or edit scan to email users in my machine? It's a very simple process to do, and you can do it right from your computer. So follow along with this video and we'll show you how to change the address book of your copier. First, you'll need your IP address of your machine. So if you don't know what it is, on this web page there's a link that you can click that will show you how to get it out of your machine. But once you have that, you just need to open an internet window such as Firefox, Chrome, or Internet Explorer. Where you would normally type in the website, you're going to type in the IP address of your machine. So in my case, we're going to type in 10.1.10.230 and press enter. And so now we see basically the programming of the copier. So this video is specifically for copiers that are a 4E series machine. So if you put in your IP address and it looks a little different, make sure that the model number of your copier ends in a 4E. So for example, with this one, a C224E, maybe a C284E or a 364E, but that's what you need to have for it to look exactly like this. Now if you have another model such as an 8 series model, there's another video on our website right next to this one for how to do it from there. So once you have this screen up, you're going to click Store Address. And this is going to take you right into the address book of your machine. So you may already have some addresses in here. For example, I have this one. But what we want to do is click New Registration. So this is what we're going to do if we're going to add somebody new. Next, we're going to make sure that email is selected. Click OK. And there's basically 3 pieces of information that we really need in this box. First, the name. So how will it appear on the copier? So we're going to put Jonathan. First names. The next is how it's displayed on the copier. So the main box, if this is checked, it will always be on the first screen when you press your scan fax button at your copier. So if the person is going to be sending a lot of things, it's good to put them on the first screen. And you can also catalog it under alphabetically under J, for example, for Jonathan. So that way, if the main box was not checked, you would have to click the JKL tab on the copier to find the user Jonathan. So in this case, we're going to keep main checked because I'm going to demonstrate that today. And then finally, you put in the email. So for me, Jonathan at abetco.com. Everything looks good. There's no need to do anything else on this screen, and just click OK. So after this, you get the option to return, which will take you back to your address book, where you can see that all the people that have been created and edit them. But you also have the option to continue registration, which will take you back to a blank email screen so that you can continue to add more people without having to keep clicking new registration again and again and going back and forth. So if we click return, it's going to take us back to my address book, and now you'll see that Jonathan is there in the box. So from here, once it's already been created, you can edit it by just clicking edit, and that will take you back to the screen so that you can change any information that you want here. If you want to as well, you can click delete, and that will delete the user from the address book if you just confirm it by clicking OK. So it's that simple. If you ever need any other assistance, make sure you let us know or check out our website for more information.